beta fish there, it has swim bladder issue. Now, just going to tell you a little bit of how to fix this. So you can see it's on the side, struggling to swim, can't go to the bottom. This is what I am using, and it has clear instructions on the back. So pipette 1 milliliter, 20 liters of water is what it covers, and the cap is 5 millimeter size, and it covers 100 liters. I've also raised the temperature. That will help eradicate the issue. So there you see it now. The beta is actually fine now. High temperature and 2 milliliters of the Protex swim bladder, and that's it. All good to go.